Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh and very good evening. So today we're going to discuss further about what we learned from yesterday, which is the energy analysis technique using a linear regression analysis. And furthermore, we're going to discuss on the cumulative summation graph here. Okay. First, you have to download the the Excel file that I already posted in Ulearn. So basically, from the Excel file, you're going to see this data. So the in the box of red, okay, you're going to see the energy consumption and production output for 2018 and consumption for 2019 as well as the output for 2018. Next, based on the equation yesterday, we're going to find the value of C. Okay, we're going to find the value of C and M. Okay, so these are the equation that we use. So from the data that we have, so now from the data, we have to make a table of this. So it consists of x square root of 2, x power of 2 and x times y. So these are the total for x power of 2 and these are the total of x times y. So from the data that we derive here, so put into the equation. So now you have this equation. Okay, when you put in the value, these are the equation, and next you arrange it, so make it easier for you. Like for example here, 12C equal to 8 million something plus 11,959 M. So another equation is this. Okay, and then you going to from this equation, then you make it C is equal to M. Alright, and then put the equation here into the second equation here, and you will have the M equal to 459.09. And then by substitute the M to the first equation, you will get the C is equal to 227.052. So these are the manual calculation when you want to find the graph of y equal to mx plus c. Another value that we discussed yesterday is the regression value. So what I did mention yesterday, if the energy equation model or the equation that going to be our model, it must be more than 0.75. Okay, our square value must be more than 0.75. So from here, from this equation, we're going to determine the value of R. So what you have to do is you make a graph of, so these are the x minus x bar. So x bar is what? X bar is the average of x, y bar is y bar is the average of y. So x minus x average, so y minus y average, so these are the total. And then what you have to do is x minus x average times y minus y average. So now from this value you add up, so these are the total of x minus x average times y minus y average. So I put here 27 million. So these are the 27 million here, and then it's divided by x minus x bar, total of x minus x average square times total of y minus y average square. Alright, so we have to find the total of x minus x average. So these are the total of x minus x average times power of 2. So these are y minus y average power of 2. Okay, put in this equation and square root it. Okay, you square it. now you have the R value is equal to 0.8886. Okay, now to find the R square, you have to square here, you will get the 0.7895. Okay, to check whether our value is correct or not, so these are the technique that I taught you yesterday. So the R square value is 0.789, correct. So the intercept is, sorry, not so clear here, right? Sorry, the R square value is 2. Oh, this is not clear. Okay, never mind. So you just check with the technique that I taught you yesterday. So now, the more important thing is you have to develop the energy equation. You have to make the what we call Q sum graph. So from the equation, from the R square value and the equation, we get the energy equation model, which is y equal to 459.09 x plus m. Plus c 227052. So these are the energy equation model with the R square value of 0.7895. So, right. Now, for the Q sum. So what is the important things is, by using the baseline, okay, the 2018 energy consumption, we get the energy equation model, which is here. So to determine whether the 2019 they have a saving or not, okay, we have to compare the consumption in 2019 with the consumption in 2018. So the consumption in 2019, we have to adjust according to the consumption in 2019. So what I mean here, so we have this equation. So what we have to do next to determine the predicted energy consumption for 2019. So these are the equation that we determine from the baseline in 2018. Okay, so what you have to do now is to put the x value according to the year of 2019. So we have here y equal to 459.09. So what are the x for January 2019? So these are the x of January 2019. So now we have 1070.68. So the C is here, 227.052. Then we have is here. Okay, and we substitute the x, so we have 718,594.25. So these are the predicted energy consumption for 2019. So now we have to compare with the actual value or with the actual energy consumption in 2019. Remember, so these are the very x in 2019. Okay, so these are the predicted. Okay, So now we have to compare with the actual energy consumption in 2019. So what are the actual consumption in 2019? So we look at the table here. So the actual energy consumption for 2019 is here, 671. Okay, sorry. Actual 671, 669 kilowatt hour. So now you see, so the predicted is more than actual. So predicted is more than actual. So we're going to define the saving. Saving is equal 718 predicted 5694.25 minus 671 669. So you have here 46925 46925.25 kilowatt hour. So these are the saving that we did get for 2019 January. So what you have to do is you have to do for all the months. So I give you here the X for January until December. So these are the actual consumption. So these are the predicted consumption. So predicted minus actual. So these are the amount of saving. So next is you have to plot the consumption. The name is QSUM is cumulative summation. Is a summation, is a total of summation. So for example here, so January, this is the January 2019. So February, the cumulative summation for February is January plus February. So this is the value. So this is Feb. March, so March is this February summation plus March saving. So this is for March. For April, so this one plus this one, so this got this one. So it's a cumulative. Now you see the graph is increasing. So the graph is increasing. Okay. So here, what you can see, okay. So you see the graph is increasing. Okay. Is a sum. If you want to know the saving for that particular month, it's just a if you want to know the saving for that particular month, okay, you have to deduct, right, from the current month minus the previous month, so you get the saving for that particular month. So I think that's all. So hopefully you can try first. Maybe we can have a discussion next session. Okay, I hope you try it, and all the best and